What is Fast Brain Booster? Fast Brain Booster is a dietary supplement that claims to solve all problems related to the brain. These include memory loss, reduced focus, brain fog, and others. It uses a proprietary blend of 14 high-quality ingredients, all of which are scientifically researched and proven to work. You may be skeptical of this product as many supplements on the market claim this. But, according to the manufacturer, this supplement has been tested on hundreds of people before being released to the public. Of 270 people who took this supplement for a few weeks, 265 reported significant improvement in cognitive function. Fast Brain Booster mainly works based on new research that shows the link between the gut and the brain. It says bad gut health is mainly responsible for problems like memory loss or brain fog. Who is the Fast Brain Booster for? Fast Brain Booster is specifically made for older people, who suffer the most from memory loss. However, anyone can use it, whether you are in your 20s, 40s, or 60s, it doesn't matter. How does the Fast Brain Booster work? To understand how this supplement works, we first need to understand how the brain works. Our brain contains billions of tiny cells called neurons. These neurons communicate with each other using links, enabling us to think, feel, and use our senses. Healthy links between the neurons ensure fast information transmission, which results in strong memory. When these neurons have trouble communicating with each other, the brain starts to forget things. This is the main reason for memory loss and other brain-related problems. But what is the reason for neurons' inability to communicate with each other? According to one study, it all comes down to something that happens in our gut. Dangerous microbes originating in the gut pass through the intestinal wall to go into the bloodstream. After entering the bloodstream, they take the route toward neurons because it is their easiest target. They corrupt the links between these neurons, which causes memory loss. These microbes can quickly get into the bloodstream because of a weak intestinal wall. They can easily pass through this wall, get into the bloodstream, and then the brain. Also, these microbes can cause various other problems like liver and kidney problems. Another reason for brain problems is the insufficient amount of essential chemicals required in the brain. These chemicals support the links between the neurons. According to the manufacturer, most brain medicines reduce these chemicals and weaken the links between the neurons. This makes the problem worse. So to cure brain-related issues, we need to target these microbes and provide the brain with chemicals. This is what the Fast Brain Booster supplement does. When you first consume the supplement, it nourishes the brain with the necessary chemicals. These chemicals first target the dangerous microbes that have been damaging the neurons. Then they start the healing process of these cells. Once they have healed properly, the body starts to fight against these microbes. Benefits of the Fast Brain Booster. Other than just treating brain problems, this supplement also has some other benefits. It maintains blood pressure levels and brings them down to normal. It reduces the risk of respiratory infections like asthma. It improves gut health and results in a more efficient digestive system. It strengthens muscles. It enhances blood circulation, which improves heart health. It sharpens your vision. Ingredients. As we have mentioned, the Fast Brain Booster dietary supplement contains 14 ingredients. These ingredients are organic, natural, and of the highest quality. Moreover, they have been thoroughly researched by capable doctors worldwide. Let us discuss some of these ingredients and the benefits they provide. Ginkgo biloba leaf. Ginkgo biloba leaf, also known as maidenhair, is a tree traditionally grown in China for centuries. Ginkgo extract, which is extracted from the leaves of this tree, has many benefits for our health. Research shows that this extract helps in improving cognitive function by increasing focus. It also improves blood circulation around the body and triggers the important WBCs in the immune system. Phosphatidylserine protects the cells and the neurons in the brain and helps transmit information between them. It plays a significant role in strengthening your memory and enhancing your thinking ability. It also helps promote a happy mood and increased concentration. St. John's wort is a natural medicine that acts as an antidepressant in the body. It triggers chemicals like serotonin and increases their activity. This can have a very positive impact on one's mood. It can also decrease anxiety, reduce seasonal depression, and clear dead cells inside your skin. Fast Brain pricing. The Fast Brain Booster dietary supplement comes in bottles with a 30-day supply each. Currently, the official website is offering some great deals on the product. Following are the prices of the different deals. 1 bottle of Fast Brain Booster, 30-day supply, costs $69 plus $5 shipping fees. 3 bottles of Fast Brain Booster, 90-day supply, $59 per bottle, plus free shipping within the US is included with this package. 6 bottles of Fast Brain Booster, 180-day supply, $49 per bottle, plus free shipping within the US is included with this package. Where to buy? Currently, the manufacturer is only selling this supplement on their official website. This is done to ensure the quality is maintained. Some other websites may be claiming to sell this, but we can't vouch for their authenticity. Hence, only buy from the manufacturer's official website. Refund policy. All bottles purchased from the official website come with a complete money-back guarantee. You can avail of this refund within 60 days of your purchase. Customers are asked first to contact the company and return the bottles, even if they are empty, to the address shown below for a full refund of their money. Email, support@buygoods.com. Phone, 302-200-3480. Product return address, 19965 E 35th Dr. Suite 100 Aurora, Co 80011 FAQ, Frequently Asked Questions, Q. Are there any side effects? No. As mentioned before, the supplement is formulated with all natural, scientifically researched ingredients. Over 93,600 customers have already used it and showed no signs of adverse side effects. Hence, you do not need to worry about side effects. Q. How long until results can be seen? Results can vary with every individual. However, usually, it does take around 3 to 4 weeks of consistent use to get noticeable results. Q. Is it safe for everyone? Yes. Fast Brain Booster is safe for everyone to use as it is made with all natural ingredients and manufactured in an FDA-approved facility. Q. How often should Fast Brain be taken?